Yo, boys playing Car Crash Simulator 2. Something new. Yep, let's go back with the gaming video again. Not the stupid motherfucking to edit. Alright, let's go and crash! Whoa, cars, yeah. I've learned a little bit how to play it. Extreme Peak. Let's go on the Extreme Peak first. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh shit, I nearly fell. I'm a bad driver. Guys. My dad has to drive and be like... Woo! And we get the woo-hoo. Firstly, I want to go in there. Yeah, I've tested everything, absolute everything out on this map. But I'm gonna play this game like a lot of times to show. I just did a perfect drift, bro. Yeah, firstly I wanna go... There's also slow motion. And this button N2O, right here, I'm pressing on it. Here, guys. Yeah, it speeds you up for a little time. There's a limit on it. Come on, bro. So it basically just crashes your car. Oh shit, what did I do? Alright, let's go, boys. Don't know why I'm saying only boys, maybe girls are watching me as well. But I don't care. Oh my god, what the fuck did I do to the car? Oh wow, this car's so good now. Bro, what the heck? It's literally stuck in there, bro. Car Crash is a very cool game. Oh yeah, so I don't watch ads. Ha! Oh, toilets on planes be like the sound. Oh, well. This is literally the same thing. I just escaped it though. Sorry guys, that stupid motherfucking ad. Yeah. Alright, let's go somewhere else now. Yeah, let's go to the hammers. Hammers are cool, bro. If you don't like, hit subscribe here, but also. Crocodilo, tortodilo. Saliva. Crocodilo, torcodilo, crocodilo, torcodilo. Ah, that was so mean. You jerk. Crocodilo, torcodilo. Crocodilo. just fell down. I'm falling down. Torcodilo, torcodilo. Torcodilo, torcodilo. Alright, got the goofy car. Ooh, what a drift. Torcodilo, torcodilo. I believe I can fly to sky. I believe I can fly to sky. Well, I can sing in the sky if you don't shut the fuck. Torcodilo, torcodilo. Boosh. This can't drive. Torcodilo, torcodilo. Is that the Titanic down there? Motherfucker. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'll do more videos about the Extreme Peak later. I'll do the race crash first. So yeah, I'm trying to crash into someone. Boosh! No, you're not going anywhere, boy. I'm going to be the original, the OG, motherfucker. Ah, he's stuck onto me. This motherfucker. Ah. Stupid. Crocodile, crocodile. Oh no. No! Stupid motherfucker. This motherfucker. Ah, he oversped me. I'm coming for you, little bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Me so stupid. Motherfucker! I'm going to catch you. I'm coming. I believe I can fly to sky. Oh, I'm so bad at turning. Crocodilo, crocodilo. Come here, boy. I just push him away like trash. I'm catching up on my broken car. But that's not fair. Come here, boy. It was just silence for a long time though. Oh. Oh, one pump low, bro. I'm already past you. Oh. Let me just boosh. Let me just boosh into myself. Boosh. Boosh. Crocodilo, crocodilo. Boosh. I'm about to get past the first one level. Hey boy, come here. No, I want to catch a crash in slow-mo. Little bro thinks he's so smart. Trying to keep up here, you know. I want to catch a crash.